Yes, 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 yes. We all live. We all live. The market is about to open. I'm gonna look at the market real quick, answer some questions, um, talk about the stock market, the recession, and maybe some Bitcoin. I'm not too sure, but overall, looking at the market, and we are going to just basically talk about what's going on with you guys, how you guys are doing at home. The market is about to open very soon. We might see a pop and then some type of reversal soon. Let's see. So the market just opened. I don't know. I didn't hear the bell. Oh, that's because my thing is not on. I didn't hear the stock market bell, but it is on. So the stock market is basically up and running. So let me see if I can actually. And if during this live stream I'm not talking or anything like that, it's because I'm trying to look at the market. But what I'm trying to do is look at the market. I don't know how long this live stream is going to be, but I don't think I'm gonna get that many. I'm just gonna wait to see what the market's gonna do. Anyway, let's see what you guys are talking about. Of course, during this live stream, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only. Shout out to everybody that's here. Appreciate everybody. If you have any questions overall about the markets, about day trading, about anything, today is the day. Today is the day. So right now we're getting selling. Like I said, I expect some type of selling, but I think we're probably going to pop out a little bit more. But overall, the market is very, very bullish. Let me make sure everything is connected. Like I said, I'm not too sure how long I'm going to be on this live right now. But I'm definitely trying to speak to you guys. Just give me a second. Shout out to everybody that's watching that replay. Hope you guys are good. Right now, the market is looking very bullish. Okay, I'm talking about the stock market itself, looking very, very bullish. If you don't know who I am, my name is Big Ben. I basically day trade Monday through Friday, and at home. Okay, so if you want to learn more about that, hit that subscribe button. I'm outside, so you might hear noise, but other than that, I hope you guys are good. Let me make sure my mic is good. I'm trying to get the chat room up. Just give me a second. So we're seeing some type of reversal. I'm looking for some type of reversal. It might pop up first. We'll see. Let me see if you guys can actually. Okay, here's the selling going on. So let me see if the live stream is up. Let's go. Come on. Right now is on my end is acting up. All right, so we got some selling going on a NQ. Right now, I'm looking at the Nasdaq. Okay, the Nasdaq trading in the futures market. Basically, that's what I do, and the Nasdaq 100. And overall, this market is just like trading stocks. Okay, if you understand how to do technical analysis, understand how to basically or understand chart patterns and understand the market and how it moves, you can trade it. So let me see if I see anybody. Okay, I see 10 people. Okay, 10 people here. What's going on? All right, cool. All right, so overall, guys, shout out to everybody that's here. Basically, I'm looking for maybe you know, like I said, right now I don't see any setups for me. Most likely it's going to be some type of reversal. Probably maybe catch some type of support. In the meanwhile, if you guys have any questions, this is what this live stream is about. Questions. Type in your questions overall. How you guys are doing during this lockdown? Okay, I know some of you guys are not, working. Let me know how you guys are doing. Overall, if you look at the overall structure, though, the overall market, the market is trying to rebound nicely, right? It's trying to rebound and continue to go up. So the way I'm looking at this is of course, this is a short squeeze. A lot of people are trying to go short. Okay, a lot of people are trying to go short. So this is a nice short squeeze. A lot of people think that the market will crash in April. So this is why it's very, very important to not do things based on your feelings. Okay, I trust me. I see a lot of YouTubers. I actually saw, and this is not no hate on them, because we all take losses. If you're a day trader, we all take losses. When we day trade. Okay, but so this is no hate on them. It's just that when these guys, most of these guys, when they was explaining the reason why they were trying to go short, I felt like it was based on more feelings than looking at the technical chart. Okay, even if I feel like the market is going to crash, I'm not going to short it just because I feel like it. Okay, my feelings don't have nothing to do with anything. Okay, if the signal is not there, then there's no reason to take a short. But a lot of these guys are getting squeezed out their short positions. Right now, the market is dropping intraday. Definitely expect some type of pullback. Maybe some type of support. Who knows? Right now, I'm not looking to do anything right now. Let me see if I see any questions here. Yeah, so the market is selling off nicely. Nice sell off right here. Like I said before, I expect some type of reversal. That's what the market does usually sometimes when it opens. It's pretty much trying to trap the people that is going long in pre-market. But overall, what I'm looking to see if how low we will go, and we will see if we can bounce later on. But right now, most likely they will continue to sell to basically trap a lot of buyers in pre-market. Let me see if I see any questions. What I think about BTC. Hold on, guys. Hold on. All right. Somebody said, "What about BTC?" Mic check, please. Someone said, "Please check BTC." I'll check it later. Right now, I'm looking at the charts. Okay. You have to remember, I'm a day trader, so I'm looking at the day trade, the Nasdaq. If you guys have any day trading questions, let me know. So we have a nice little drop right here. There's a possibility we can find some type of resistance here. I don't know yet. Like I said, I'm still not doing anything right now. I'm not trying to force anything. Like I said before, still not clear what these guys want to do right now. But overall, guys, how you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing good on a lockdown. Let me see. How you guys doing on lockdown, guys? What you guys doing on the lockdown? You guys surviving? You know, how you guys taking it? Anybody got laid off? Anybody got laid off during this lockdown? What is the best strategy for day trading? Basically, the best strategy for day trading is learning how to read the charts. Okay. Day trading has nothing to do with an indicator, one setup, or anything like that. It has to do with basically learning how to read the charts. So once you understand how to read the charts, okay, you can use whatever setup you want to use. Okay. A lot of people think that their indicator or their setup is the holy grail. Setups don't have has nothing to do with the market at all. That's just a piece to a puzzle. But the best strategy is just basically learning how to read the charts. And you know how you learn to read the charts is basically you can get training from someone that knows how to read the charts. That's it. There's no shortcut to this. You either put in the work or you don't. Most people want some shortcut, but trust me, there's no shortcut, guys. Day trading just like any other business. You need a plan. You need to understand what's going on. You go from there. Like I said, right now I'm not doing anything. It looks like you could find resistance right here. I'm not doing that right now. Overall, the market is still bullish. So for me to, it doesn't make any sense for me to short this right now. We might range today. Pretty much if you look at the whole market, it did, it was trending up pre-market for the whole, pretty much for the whole pre-market. So I really don't expect the market to trend during the day. I expect some type of range in action. You said patiently waiting and controlling these emotions. What you patiently waiting on? How you guys are, what you guys are doing during the lockdown, guys? So the market's going up. Okay, like I said before, we can basically, this could be a situation where, you know, we can go up to the top, you know, find resistance. Right now, I'll just, you know, if the market just opened, I'm not really trying to do anything right now. The way I'm looking at it right now, I think the market probably going to try to roll over once again. Okay, so we probably see these guys roll over again, but you know, there's no reason for me to take a short. Okay, let's see. You missed out on a trade. Long 58. How's Bitcoin looking? I don't know, man. You let me know how Bitcoin looking, bro. And what trade you missed out on? Bobby said, "Okay, I didn't get laid off, unfortunately." Bobby sounded like he mad he didn't get laid off. Bobby said, "Unfortunately, I didn't get laid off." Damn, but Bobby sounded like he want to get laid off, bro. Yo, Bobby, you want to get laid off? All right, so we have a nice pop, like I said before. Nothing right now. I don't see anything right now. It's a possibility we can. We look at the 1 minute. Is a possibility on the 1 minute. Let me show you the 1 minute. It's a possibility we can get some type of V bottom right here on 1 minute. Okay, so we can basically do something like, you know, we got the V bottom, do something like this, continuation. But like I said before, I'm chilling. This could be support right here. Okay, so you notice how we bounced up right here. We can find some type of support right here. Okay, and it can go right back up. So that's the situation I'm looking at right now, where it can actually do something like this. All right. And that's what it looks like it's trying to do. Right now, though, okay, right now as we speak, I'm not doing anything. But this looks real good. Looks like it's some type of V bottom. So we probably see the market go right back to the top. That's if we can hold these. If we can hold this support right here, I don't really see it. I definitely see the market trying to go test the top. Now we can't hold this support right here. We can't hold it. Okay. And let's say we do something like this, maybe dip down, you know, possible find resistance right here. And the reason why I wouldn't take any shorts right here is still aggressive. The market is still up. All right, it's still in an uptrend, so taking shorts right here is still aggressive. The best thing when it comes to trading is being patient, waiting. Okay, eventually the market will tell you what it's trying to do. A lot of times in the morning, the market loves to play games. It's just how the market works. They love to play games with you, okay? Because they know that a lot of people, a lot of rookies in the morning time, they know that they are hyped, right, to press that buy button or sell button, and they trick you, trap you. Okay, so that's why it's just, if you don't understand what's going on, be patient, wait for that high quality trade, and you go from there. All right, let's see if I see any questions, guys. You said I do. I want. You said you want to focus on trading full time. I have enough money to trade and study and pay my bills for 3 months. 9 to 5 is not where it's at. I feel you, bro. I feel you, bro. Damn, you guys asking for BTC like BTC is paying you guys bills, man. Come on, guys. BTC? How many times you gonna ask me for BTC? BTC is not paying your bills. What I'm showing you right now can actually pay your bills. BTC is not paying you guys bills. What I'm showing you right now can actually pay your bills. This is called day trading. Okay, this is what I do Monday through Friday. So while you guys wait for BTC to hit 20K, wait for another 5 years for BTC to hit 20K, there's opportunity to be made right now. Money to be made right now. So we bouncing off this support right here, guys. All right, bouncing off the support right here. So it's a possibility that we can bounce off support, maybe make a new high. Like I said, right now, the reason why I'm not taking any trades right now, because in the morning times, if things are not clear, okay, super clear right now, okay, I'm not gonna take a trade, because right now this can go either way, okay. But for right now, we are bouncing at this support area, okay, bouncing that support area, okay. Right now, that's what it's doing. But you know, like I said in the morning, sometimes they love to trap people. So what they can do, they can trap some longs right here, break down, find maybe some resistance right here, and go back down. So the best thing to do, okay, especially if you're not aggressive, if you want to be aggressive, that's, you know, that's on you. Just wait for until you see a clear picture. Jesus said BTC is going to crash. Stock market will crash harder. I saw people getting mad at some guy because he sold all his Bitcoin. So right now, guys, we finding support right here. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, this looks like a possibility of a good long, but like I said before, I'm being patient. Like a lot of people will freak out, right? Like let's say that this actually goes back to the top. Right, a lot of people freak out like, man, I knew it. I knew it was gonna go to the top. I don't care about this. All right, I don't care if I missed this move, because I'm not, like, my trading is not based on, you know, FOMO or based on, oh man, I missed the move. It's based on taking high quality trades. Right, it's based on, all right, looking at the structure, looking at what the market is doing, and you know, making sure that you are clear. Because if I take a trade, right, and I take a loss on it, I want to be okay with it. See how the market is going up right here? Okay, nice little trade right here. Okay, now if we go to the top right here, boom, okay, you can pay your bills right there. This is what I'm trying to tell you guys. You guys worrying about BTC, but this is like literally showing you how to pay bills. BTC ain't going nowhere. BTC is going to be stuck probably for the next 3, 4, 5 years. Same price. Up and down, up and down. So, like I said before, if we pop up to the top, okay, I'm not going to get mad, because I want to be okay with the trade I take. I want to be okay with myself. Okay, if I take the trade, if I take a loss, I'm okay. Okay, but if I feel like I was rushing, forcing a trade, think about it for a second, guys. Every time you take a trade, right, and you force the trade or whatever the case is, and you take that loss, how do you feel after that? You feel like you know, garbage, right? Okay. Well, this is how a professional thinks. He doesn't react based on emotions. He doesn't, you know, just say, oh man, let me get in because I know it's going to go down, or I know it's going to go up. No. But this is a nice little bounce from here. Okay, like I said before, it looks like they're going to basically go right back to the top. If they go to the top, we can find some type of resistance, because if we look at this, we can find resistance. This is not a clear break to the top. Only thing I'm noticing is a V bottom, so this V bottom could be strong, so we could break this top. Okay, so we could do something like this. Since we have a V bottom right here, this usually means momentum. We can probably break it, maybe pull back and continue to go back up. So we do something like that. Okay, but this is a nice trade. Lovely trade right off support. Okay, this is what I'm doing every single day, guys. I'm showing you what I'm doing, and you guys worrying about cryptocurrency. Let's look at Bitcoin for you guys that's so, you know, can't wait. Let's look at Bitcoin. All right, BTC. Make you guys happy. Oh my God, BTC! Wow, 7,000. Woo, man! Wow, that is amazing. 7,000. Whoa! Wow. BTC is very, very high, guys. That's 7,000. Wow! It was going to the moon. All right, so BTC, guys. Very simple. Basically, we are in this big channel right here. We hit the top. Actually the bottom of the channel, bounced off the channel right here. We still have resistance, guys. I mean, basically we have. Let me see here. Ooh, the next resistance is probably going to be around 8,000 somewhere. You know, we had this big crash right here, so it could be 8,000 or somewhere around here. Okay. But of course, the heavy area is that 10,000 level, because we hit it multiple times, we couldn't go past it. So that 10,000 level is where it's at. Okay. Of course, we have the halving coming soon. You know, they can basically pump it up and dump it after the halving. So to me, this could be a wild ride. Okay. Overall, I'm looking at the structure. I don't like it. I still think it's bearish. I still think we have more to the downside, but we could blast. It all depends on if they want to go up, right? If they want to go up, okay, they have to show signs of some type of, you know, bullish action. Okay, maybe break this right here, hold the pull back and continue to go back up. I mean, that's the only thing I can see right now. If they don't do that, man, it's just going to be a wild, you know, just up and down, bro, up and down. So now, if we do break this right here, we still have this to worry about, which is around 14,000. But we'll see, man. You know, we'll see. All right, so we got this. Basically, we got to some resistance right here, but based on this V bottom right here, it looks like we're gonna probably break that resistance. All right, this break the resistance and a possible, you know, break out of here, but we'll see. We have this little trend line right here going. Okay, resistance line. I don't, even if we break the top, I really don't expect a big move today, intraday, because we had the move already in pre-market. So let me show you. Okay, let me show you. 5 minute, we had a big intraday move. Okay, so we had a big intraday move. I'm sorry, a big pre-market move. Okay, so I really don't expect, even if we do make a new high, I really don't expect a crazy trend. Okay, you know, during intraday. I mean, anything can happen, but I don't expect any type of crazy trend. I expect maybe consolidation, a possible reversal, okay, to stop a couple people out first, and then probably continuation. So you know, it could be somewhere like, you know, they can maybe do something like this, come right back down, and then go right back up. you know. But we'll see, guys. Me personally, I'm chilling. Let's see if I see any questions. All right, so let me see, guys. Let's talk. Okay, this is time to ask me questions about anything, day trading, how to make money. I mean, I know some of you guys are laid off, whatever the case is. Let me see here. Let me see if I see any questions here. I'm going. You said I was going to take a trade at 67. Surprised it didn't drop to 4K. I mean, they can pump right now. They can pump BTC to they can pump it to 8,000, 9,000. Okay, so right now it's pulling back. Okay. So we'll see. We'll see if the market wants to continue to go back up. Like I said before, we have resistance right here. So we'll see if it can even make it to the top. Okay. This is why me personally, if the picture is not very clear, I'm not going to take no trades. Okay. Because they do play games in the morning. And right now the picture is not very clear to me. Okay, right now all I see is uptrend, support right here. We bounce off support right here. It's a possible, it's very possibility that we can actually go back to the highs. But overall, we do have resistance right here, and the market, has been trending all pre-market. Okay, so is. Sometimes that's very suspect when you see the market trending like that during pre-market. For the whole pre-market, a lot of times you will see some type of reversal, some type of release. Okay, some people call it profit taking, people call it pullback, whatever you want to call it. But sometimes you will see some type of reversal, pullback in the mornings. So let me see if I see any questions here. It's all about protecting your capital. Yeah, man. It's all about having a skill. Okay, a lot of people want to know how to make money. All right, how to make money, guys. Making money is basically we reversing right here, guys. See this reversal right here. So this support held, for a little bit. Came back up. We couldn't even go right back to the high, and now we're selling off. Okay, so strong possibility that we can reverse. This is why it's very important to wait for the market to tell you what it's going to do, because eventually the market is going to show their hand. Eventually these guys are going to show you what they want to do. Okay, that's why it's very important to be patient. The old me, all right, the old me would say, man, forget that, I'm taking this trade, bro. But I'm chilling. All right, let me see here. Yeah, it's all about protecting your capital, but it's all about having a skill. Okay, like money making, guys. You have to understand money making. Okay, the reason why people make money is because they have a skill. It's not because this person is a different color skin. It's not because this person is smarter than you. It's because this person has a skill. A lot of you'd be surprised. A lot of rich people are not bright. Okay, a lot of rich people are not bright, but they are very good at what they do. Okay, so you will have a successful, let's say a successful real estate investor, or a successful athlete or anybody that's successful in their field, right? They know that field. They are very skilled and they understand that field. They understand the industry. But when it comes to just regular living and everyday life, a lot of these guys are not bright. Okay, so in order to make money, guys, you have to have a skill. And this goes back to me sort of hating on, I'm not hating on long-term investing, but I'm trying to basically show you guys there's other opportunities out here. Okay, most long-term investors don't have most long-term investors don't have skills, put it like that. Okay, they do everything based on the feelings. Oh man, I feel Bitcoin is gonna go up, so I'm just gonna buy it. Oh, I feel Bitcoin hits 3K, I'm just gonna go all in. Right? That's not a skill. It has nothing to do with nothing. Okay. Most long-term investors don't even know how to read the chart. They think reading the chart is stupid. This is why most of the guys will fail, because they don't really try to improve or try to master their craft. Like if I was a long-term investor, bro, I would look up everything that will help me. I will look it up and I will study it. Okay. Now make sure that I'm going to be the best I can be. I'm not trying to be the best investor in the world. I'm going to be the best I can be. A lot of people are trying to be the best in the world. Like forget about being the best in the world, guys. All right. The people that's number one, a lot of times they wasn't even thinking about being the number one. They were just being, the best version of themselves. But overall, guys, we have selling right here. And basically, the market most likely is going to continue to go down, trap some traders, possible short situation going on. I'm not too sure yet, but we'll see what's going on here. So the market tried to go up, pop down, okay. Like I said, I'm gonna wait and see what the market wants to do. Meantime, I'm gonna answer some questions, and then I'm probably gonna end the live stream soon. But yeah, I mean, if you want to get paid, you have to build a skill. What do I think about the $6 trillion printout denier? I don't know, bro. I don't know what to think no more, bro. I mean, basically, it's telling us that they don't care about the dollar, right? They don't care about the dollar. So overall, you just gotta wait and see what these guys want to do. The bigger picture is, of course, some type of digital system. I think that's the bigger picture. So I think right now they don't care about the dollar. Okay. But these guys are very smart. So, you have to understand, whatever you're thinking right now, it could be the opposite. Okay. Do I think we can actually go right back to the top? I'm still thinking we can roll over. We have a possible rollover. Now let's say we do go to the top right here. I mean, that is just amazing. But if we do decide to go to the top, it's going to probably be some type of double top situation. But I mean, the way I'm looking at the situation is really, we don't have no reason to go back to the top. Okay. But these guys can do whatever they want to do. This is why you can't trade based on your feelings. You could just trade whatever's in front of you. These guys can do whatever they want to do, man. It's just what it is. But right now, I'm not complaining, bro. I'm not complaining. I'm not trying to overthink the situation. I mean, eventually we know that these guys want to change the system. Um, Eventually things are probably going to be, digital, everything digital, digital, digital. But like I said before, man, right now the name of the game is trying to make as much money as possible. Okay. And you don't do that by sitting. You don't do that by sitting, guys. All right. This is why you will probably hear me, downplay or not even talk bad about long-term investing, but at least try to open up your eyes or your mind about the possibilities of short-term investing. Okay, short-term investing is basically what I do, day trade. That's exactly what it is. It's a short-term investment. All right. It's me saying, okay, the market is going to do this, that, and that, and I'm looking for a return. Short term. Okay. I'm not looking to see if the market go to 20K, 50K, and it might take 10, 15, 20 years. Man, I don't think you guys understand what's going on right now. I don't think we have 15 to 20 years. We don't have 15 to 20 years to be gambling like that, bro. You see what's going on right now? And you want to wait 15, 20 years? Shoot. Good luck on that, bro. We don't have that, bro. Come on, man. Ben, what I have seen you make in 2 hours is enough to pay my bills for a month, and then some. I hear you, bro. Yeah, I mean, you don't need that much. I mean, you don't need that much to pay your bills, because if you don't have a lot of bills, you don't need to. This is why it's very important to learn how to not spend, learn how to not be in debt. All right, keep your bills low. You don't need to live a crazy life. Live a simple life and stack up your money. Some people say save 10% of whatever you make. Bro, I'm telling you right now, that's not the way to go. I'm telling you, ever since I was a little kid, bro, I was saving, I was saving at least 70 to 80% of my paycheck, bro. Facts. When everybody was partying, when everybody was buying new clothes, and and trying to look, fly, man, I was saving my money and investing in my future. You need to at least save 50%. That's how I feel. If you really hardcore, save 70 to 80%. Go out once in the blue. I mean, right now you can't go out anyway, so. Let me see here. You said you spat your coffee out. Why? What happened, bro? What I say? What's going on, Steven? What's up, Ben? You changed your channel, bro? No, I ain't changed my channel. I just changed the name to it. I changed the name. Can you check XRP? XRP is at probably 20 something cents. What you want to know, actually? What you want to know, bro? 20 cent. What you want to look at a 20 cent coin for, bro? that hasn't been going nowhere for like 5 years. What stocks would you recommend to buy now? All right. Shout out to you. I don't recommend anything, bro. Okay. What I recommend you right now to do is educate yourself on how to read the charts. Okay. The stock market is not about buying stocks. Okay. It's about having an edge. So basically, let me give you a good example. Okay, let me give you a good example. Let's say that I give you, three good stocks, right, to buy right now. Let's say I give you three good stocks to buy right now. Okay, let's say one of the stocks, right, decides to go to zero. You lose all your money on that stock. Let's say the other two stocks actually, they go up. Okay. And let's say you double your money. Actually, let's say you triple your money. Okay. And then let's say, I don't know, 6 months from now, okay, the market decides to go right back down and start to crash, and next thing you know, your investment, you was up, triple. Now you're back to break even, and then you're holding it more, and then next thing you know, you're negative, and next thing you know, oh my gosh, these companies, now they bankrupt. Okay, so basically, what I'm trying to explain to you right now, okay, is it doesn't matter if I tell you the right stocks to buy, because you don't have a strategy. You don't have an edge. You don't have the proper education to tell you, right, if or when should you get out, when should you lock the profits, even if it's a good buy or not. Okay, you understand, like, buying stocks is just not a strategy. This is why a lot of people are suffering right now when it comes to the crypto market, because they bought when the market was bullish, right? They made all these gains, but when the market decided to crash, they got wiped out. Either they're at break even or they're red. So you have to not just understand what to buy, but have a strategy, have an edge, have something that will help you take profits, something that will help you understand how to read the charts, because the charts will tell you, okay, oh man, I think it's time to take some profits. Okay, so it's not just all about what to buy. This is why you have to educate yourself, man. There's no shortcuts. No shortcuts at all. Right now, the market is most likely we're probably going to see a pop. Like I said, right now I'm still chilling. Okay, we had a nice little drop. Still don't understand what these dudes want to do right now. I'm probably gonna look for a pullback, and then from there, go from there. But let me answer some questions, and I'm gonna leave this chat room. I trade with a stop loss. Wait for 8K and take some. I got 2 million shares. Yeah, man, you know the deal. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait for a pullback. I'm gonna probably get back to trading, because right now I don't see anything. But I'm gonna look at XRP for you guys. I know some of you guys want to look at XRP. You know, let's look at XRP, and let's look at the daily chart. So on the daily chart, we had a nice little pop. So we have a nice little pop on the daily chart. So I mean, like I said, man, I mean, you better hope that they catch some type of support around here. All right, still at 19 cents. You know, it still looks dead to me, in my opinion. Still, I mean, if you zoom out, it's still very far from the highs. There's really nothing to talk about when it comes to this, you know, this market, bro. Why you think I don't? You know, I don't got time to be making videos or, about a dead market. You know, right now the market's not doing anything, so I'm trying to show you guys what I do on a day trading tip, right? On a day trading side, so you guys can understand that, you know, your investments are, your long-term investments are, you know, okay, but there's money to be made right now. But anyway, guys, I'm about to get out of here. Talk to you guys later. Hope you guys stay safe during this lockdown. But overall, guys, step up your game, bro. All right, step up your game. I can't hold your guys' hand all the time. Step up your game. You know, wishing and hoping is not going to put money in your pocket, guys. You have to have a skill. It's just what it is. I'm looking for maybe some continuation, but it's this big sell-off right here doesn't scream. Right now, it's not screaming like the market wants to just continue to reverse, but we'll see. All right, guys, so I'm about to get out of here. Let me see here. I was trying to look to see if I could do a couple of trades for you guys, but you know, the market is acting the market is acting not weird, but it's just, I don't really see a good setup right now. So anyway, talk to you guys later. Hope you guys are great, and you know, continue to make sure you guys it's a possible setup, possible sell right here, but I'm still not going to take anything right now. Hope you guys are good, and like I said, stay safe. Continue to improve. Continue to educate yourself. If you want to learn more about that, just, you know, either email me or you can go to the description. Talk to you guys later, and please, guys, have a great day.